So what if somebody says, well, okay, so I want to go to Israel, but I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I mean, I know I want to go Israel. I know very little about the geography. I kind of have this yearning to go, and I know about Jerusalem, and I know about Tel Aviv, and I've heard about Haifa, and or a lot. What else? I mean, how do we help people find their place?
Yeah, that's a great question. Meaning he woke up one morning with an epiphany. I want to make Aliyah, but how do I do it?
Yeah, kind of, sort of, right?
Schedule a consultation on our website, and we will help you create a custom roadmap for your Aliyah, and we will determine what your wants and needs are, and get you into Eretz Yisrael within the time frame that's most suited for you, and we'll strategically plan that for you, with you.
Great, great. Sounds to me like that certainly is is the right solution there. Now thinking about, I mean, yeah, make the cut, right? Make the call.